请快乐又运动，最近叫 Sino Afro. Hey people, my name is Tree. I'm back again on the floor of Sino Afro Dance Studio, and I hope you're gonna like what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna teach you a dance tutorial of today's dance fitness, and I hope you like it. It's very easy. All you got to make sure of is staying on your screen and watching every step as laid. Thank you so much. Let's follow along. So, our first movement of our dance tutorial today is going to be very easy. The first part of the music is a freestyle, and when you freestyle, at least you have to do a little bit of the stretch freestyle movement. Yeah. So then after there, we're going to go 1 and 2, 3, as you turn a little bit, 4, then this other side, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And after here, we're gonna go 1 and 2. Step 3 and 4. Step. Yes? Then after when you're done there, you're just gonna go down and come up. The next step is heel and toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna go to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna switch to the other side. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, you do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, you go back to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes? Then after here, we'll go back to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, you go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna do a little bit of freestyle. After the freestyle, we're gonna go back to our groovy part, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes? And after here, after doing ta-da-da-shoo, ta-da-da-shoo, yeah? We're gonna go back to the front part. From this position of the hands, you're just gonna wave it down. Shoo, ta, woo, woo, go. Shoo, ta, out, out. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Last one. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. That's the end of our tutorial. Thank you so much, guys. It's been your boy Tree, and I hope to see you next time. I hope to come back on our page. Check on your dance favorites. Check on your favorite fitness dance, and every lineup of the fitness. We have each tutorial. You are most welcome on Sino Afro Dance page. Each and every day we be updating you guys. Thank you so much for watching this. God bless you.